YouTube, what's going on, man? Look, check it out, man. We out in these city streets today. You see what's on? We got that bait on the back of the truck. And guess what we doing today? We finna go trade it, right? For a GasGas 300. A GasGas 300 for the beta. What y'all think? Y'all think that's a good trade? Y'all think it's a up or a down? A W or a L? Drop in the comments below. But yeah, man, that's what we on today. So, finna drag y'all along, man. I'm putting this E85. Hold on. You did. Yellow nozzle. Hey, y'all stay tapped in, man. Hit that like, comment, subscribe, man. We finna take y'all on this little trip. Let's hop in there with me. Come on, get in here. Come on, get in. What you get in the whip? What are you doing?
Bruh.
Man, y'all, I'm talking about Atlanta. Atlanta traffic. Good twin. Y'all folks gotta start moving down here. Stop. We'll listen. Pulled up on bro, he meeting us now at the spot, so we're gonna go ahead and make this swap out. Woo! Big GasGas, y'all. Big GasGas, he said he used to do a little racing. I see you got that green plate on there.
No, this is not rocket, this is reverse.
That's a reverse?
What the
So
fuck?
rocket holding the rocket button on top.
What the hell?
I didn't even know that bitch had.
Bruh.
What? He just found out something we didn't even know. What the f, bro?
Just unlearn something, bro.
Bro, he done found
know,
something
bro.
out we didn't even know the whole time. I told you, I seen it on YouTube, bro. I thought that bike go faster than he got there. That boy just lifted up from just right here.
That's what I'm saying, bro. He just did.
Yeah, he done figured it out, y'all.
See, you ride though.
And the turtle mode.
And now he said that's the turbo mode right there. Yeah, probably got a definitely new car. We opened up the car.
I mean, you was able to ride, so you.
I can ride that bitch.
Bro, I don't know, cause that bitch snatched, man.
All right, y'all. So my boy told me go ahead and see what it's talking about. You already know. Listen, I'm out here. It's gonna be the first time I have on a bike since the crash, really. So, and then I'm choosing to hop on the 300. So, y'all pray for me real quick. You know what I'm saying? My wrist be feeling a little good. On real wristbands on the way though. Let's see.
You sure, bro?
Yeah, right. Yeah, I ain't finna go no trail today. All right, let's see y'all.
Start with one kick. With that on, start with one kick. Or by one kick. Because it's hot already.
Hey, bro. This is how you take the battery.
Some of that, huh? Yeah, see, as soon as I put that high clutch in, it stay on. hot start, goddamn. As soon as you can cream it in. Okay, bro, I just hopped on the GasGas right there. It's not gonna lie, man, that thing got some spank to it. You know what I'm saying? I like it. It got a nice little bark on it. The little hot start is a little funny, but we gonna get that right. If you know they make the deal. That's all I really see. It's this right here. You gotta keep it held back to keep the bike really engaged, but we'll pop that off, put a new one in there, if that, and have that thing crisp again. But right now, we just waiting on them guys to make the decision to see what they gonna do. You know, I'm just along for the ride today, broke wrist and all, so. Yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoying the content, man. Hit that like, hit that comment, and subscribe, by the way. Don't wait till the video at the end. Hit it now. Hit it now.
What battery is that one? The 5.4 or the other one?
This one is right here.
This one is the 5.4 or the other?
The 70.
35. Costs like a $2,000 only the battery.
Me personally, I didn't do it because of the swing arm.
Both here full with new parts. Okay, only the FMF South costs almost $400. Okay.
Thanks.
So if you have some cash, I will give you all that and trade it right away. Yeah, and I still.
How much cash you talking about?
I don't know.
Bruh.
Say that again.
Bro got the equipment and everything.
You get that one.
He said, come get it.
And try to
Got it for
sell
sale.
for somebody for 4,000.
Bro, everything top of the line.
Add up on
Good
my-
brace.
But you have it for 48.
Yeah,
I
I
only
can't
want
beat him.
4,000.
We like an hour away from over there where you at. I bet.
He said, $8,000, bro. Y'all see the brand? Oh my God. 8,000. That's a mountain bike, isn't it?
Like this frame.
Okay.
Take it.
Damn. Wow, y'all. You look how light this is. You see my wrist? I just fell. Look, I can hold it, y'all. Damn, that's really. I did not know. What the? I'm thinking all the frames was metal. That's crazy.
No, that's carbon.
That's fire though. Bike super light.
I like a 1.2 kilos.
Wow. That thing just fly through the air. Said it came for the bike, even with a trailer.
You gonna make that big extra money for it though.
You already know it. Cause listen, you see how much, look how big it is, huh? Whatever, say it's not the little one. Hey, you can't beat it though. $500, yeah. I bet. Said I roll that thing out, bro. Hey, y'all need pulls to Durham time. We dropping you off for a nice amount. You did. It's a good thing we run that Durango out. The boy finna goddamn. Now I was gonna back away the other way so we can go straight out. Damn. See, that boy, I've been working out this broke ass wrist, but.
I need to buy a lock too.
Is
Yes,
it
sir.
Gold Series
Yes, sir.
from FMF?
Daddy. Yep. Stop playing with him, man. Hey, that boy done put you with the game. He got it ready for you. That boy done came out. That's with a bike or trailer. Shit. Did the ultimate bike hard today, ain't
That jump finna be lit, boy.
it? It is. Like I said, y'all need them hauls to that deep town. Taxi. Say, bro, got there, almost left the air tag in there, y'all. He about to double up on it. He about to come back and get it from us, y'all. Nah, I'm just playing. Nah, my buddy came out here, won today, GasGas, trailer along with it. Shout out this guy right here, man. He just cut the deal for us, bro, for real. Hey, y'all, that boy G just, y'all see what that man just did, man? Y'all drop some comments in the bottom, man. What y'all think, man? KYB suspension, GasGas. Hold on, you see this on the side? Enduro. But yeah, nah, overall, I think it's a good little bike. We're gonna play with that little hot start on the top right there, get that right, clean it up. He said they do the new spark plug in there. We might go ahead and just clean the carb out. You know how it go, man. Beside that, man. Well, not too bad, y'all. Meat on the side. 14 hours, you know. Not bad. Not bad.
Just in case I don't still record this, I'm still gonna come get the pipe. Ready, brother?
Yes, sir, Ski. Think that boy want the cheese ear to
I'm
ear.
ready to ride, man.
That boy cheese ear to ear.
Hey, I want to see what this 300 do, man. Ain't no
You know what I'm
125,
saying?
300 game now, bro.
Woo!
Yes, sir. 2-stroke in the building, man.
Been the big two-stroke. That boy got the biggest two-stroke of them all right now.
Hey,
No diddy.
Tell the leak I'm coming for him.
Ooh, hey, you heard it, Lee. You heard it, Lee. Right there. Hold on. He said, big 300 ready.
I'm coming for you, leak, man.
At Lee.
You owe me a rematch, man.
At Nikio.
You owe me a rematch, man.
At DGT.
I'll beat you at Duratown.
Duratown.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You heard him. All right, bro. Appreciate you. Yes, sir. See this? We on the way back. Traffic still. God damn, what I'm saying? Stop moving here. Every time we go somewhere, y'all. Just like that. Back where it started at. So, y'all see, man, the beta gone and then it turned into a gas gas. Yeah, that mug got a different way to it, huh? Little 450 again. Yeah, y'all, so we made it back, man. Y'all see, he got a wagon and all this time, man. But yeah, successful. We thought it wasn't gonna go down at first, but you see it went down. So he made the swap for the GasGas with the 300 beta. I keep saying 300 beta, thinking about the dirt bike. But for the electric beta, which I feel like, hey, that wasn't no lose to me, then. Brought a blessing with the trail in there. Double package, you can't never lose. When you come from one object, you leave with two, and you get the other one half off. Ain't gonna tell y'all what we paid for it, but anyway. But yeah, y'all drop them comments down below. What y'all think? You see it right there. GasGas. Swap for the electric. What y'all think? That boy just took that thing down the highway. Down the highway. Boss man, sounded smooth when you went down. He talking about that, what he said that gas is?
40 something.
I'm gonna look that shit up. I know 40 to 1, but that nigga said some shit like 50. Y'all drop in the comments below, man. What y'all running? 32 to 1, 40 to 1. Or y'all go with that high spectrum ratio, that 50 to 1 and that 60 to 1. I ain't never touched it in my life, but that's a 300, so the gas ratio might need a different consistency of mixture. You tell me. I'm a 125 rider, you dig? I mess with the 2 strokes, but yeah, I haven't heard a lot of guys running that 50 to 1. What?
So that's the choke on the bike.
So that's
this.
so it's moving. I think, see, I'm wrong looking at it,
moving.
but that's it.
Yeah, that's it though.
All right, YouTube, so what y'all think, man? Y'all just seen it, we wouldn't have made that swap. Like I said, to me, it wasn't a bad trade, man. You got a $4,000 electric bike, traded for, I don't know the appraisal value on the GasGas 300, but I know it's up there. To me, I think it's a good little trade, you know? You gotta put a little work, a little cleanup on anything you go get off the market, and you know, that's just part of the game. It's not showroom off the floor ready. You did, sometimes they are, sometimes they ain't. But man, y'all go follow my boy G Money. Subscribe to his page. He up and coming content creator, YouTube, you know what I'm saying? So man, let's pick him up and bring him along with this haul, you did. But besides that, man, I hope y'all enjoyed the content, man. Y'all drop in the comments below if y'all like this type of content right here. Y'all like to go on out in the streets, in the city, getting stuck in traffic, making trades. Y'all let me know, man. But anyway, tell a friend to come back, watch it again with you. It's your boy, 125, baby. Come back, hit that like, subscribe, send it, share it. Tell the partner in there. You did? I'm gone. See what that boy digging on over here.